Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to be, y'all are here today. Marquisha has worked for 4 years very hard at this. Marquisha's put the work in the classroom. Her grades have always come first. Many of you can tell me her grade point average because you're a little jealous and you know it well. But she works every day. I see her working. I see her doing extra work to make sure that she stayed in the top 3 of the class. And when Christian Brothers comes looking for a good softball player, they've got to have somebody who they know is academically prepared for Christian Brothers. Well, when they came looking, they found a bonus. They found an excellent softball player, an excellent center fielder, all-around athlete. If they decide to start track, I guess she's got that too. Marquisha's been here. She's played sports here for 4 years and never really settled on just one. She's always played more than one. And I think y'all have seen her contribution to your games each and every day on the softball field. The dedication I'm talking about in the classroom also occurs on the field. She's going to put forth her best effort no matter what. She's kind of quiet sometimes, but you have to appreciate somebody when they let the bat, the glove, the basketball, they let everything else do their talking, and they just take care of business. If y'all would give Marquisha a hand as she prepared this.
Awesomeness.
Here we go, Marquisha Sanders. Congratulations on your ready to go to Christian Brothers. How does it feel to have you signed it? Okay. Now, softball. When you first got here as a freshman, nobody saw softball as a sport you were going to college to play. How did that happen?
Well, my first 2 years I did track, and then I just felt like I wanted to play softball, so I did that for 11th grade.
Now, but you did all 4 years of basketball. That's how you met Coach Horton for basketball. What did she say to you your junior year to convince you that, okay, softball is the way to go?
She just had a different passion for softball than the previous coaches, and I thought I wanted to play that.
Okay, and she became a leadoff here at centerfield. Now y'all having some success. You just beat Carter again. Congratulations on that. How has she helped not only you but your team over the last couple of years?
That's something that they didn't have previous years, so that's
Encouragement. Well, your family has been encouraging. I've seen the Sanders family around here. They had all the games supporting their baby sister. You the baby, right? Always supporting you. Was there any pressure having all those big siblings in front of you, Chris and all of that? You always did your own thing? What did you learn from that?
basically hard work and dedication.
That what mom instilled in? Talk about what she's meant to you, help you get to this point.
So she's played a huge role. And she just pushes me to be the best I can be.
And she also told me that grandma, valedictorian of her class, was a good role model as well. Talk about her impact in your life. Now, I heard she plays some sports too.
Yeah, she played basketball.
Okay, so you like a little carbon copy. But I did lose that grandma was valedictorian. You finished number 3 in the class. How did you do that? All those sports, all those activities, Hall of Fame here at Millington Central High School. How did you manage to be number 3? My last question for you, what does this moment rank for? Signing going to Christian Brothers, what does this rank?
I'd say it's number 2.
That's pretty high achievement. Well, I appreciate it. Congratulations on getting up to Christian Brothers.